Good morning children. Welcome back to online classes. So children, previous class we have discussed about the wild animals and domestic animals. About the animals, how many legs they have. We also discussed about the birds. Birds have the two legs and they have the two wings to fly. If you see the birds, in the birds also we can get the varieties of colors. And children, they are also different from each other. All the birds, animals are different from each other. They are different in color, shape, size. Children. So, animals have the 4 legs and 1 tail. Don't confuse children. And the next is the bird. Bird have the 2 legs, 2 wings to fly, and they have 1 beak. So children, today's class will see about the insect. Some insects we can find in our house. We can find in our home. Some kind of insect we can see in our kitchen room only. Children. Will you tell me which type of insects you can see in your kitchen room? Tell me children. Yes, cockroach. Very good. Then housefly. Very good. Mosquitoes. Lizard. Children. Ant. Ladybug. So these are the insects we can see in our home. When you sleep children in the night, you can see the cockroaches are doing the party in kitchen room. So whatever, if your kitchen room is clean, then they won't come. If your kitchen room is not clean, so anywhere we can find the numbers of cockroaches. They will sit on the vegetables, fruits, or whatever food your mama is prepared. So we should keep our kitchen room clean. In the night we can find the mosquitoes also. Numbers of mosquitoes we can see in our house. Yes or no? Sometimes if there is any sweet things fall on the ground or on floor or on the platform in the kitchen room where your mama is preparing the food, when she is keeping the gas, that platform, if anything is fall on the platform, sweet things, by the minutes you can see that is ants are gathering. They are slowly taking that all the sweets. Yes or no? Otherwise you can see the housefly. They are flying there only. There is the sweets. Sometimes you can see in the bakery, numbers of flies we can find because there is a sweet things. Numbers of insects we can find there. So wherever is the small insects, we can see there is a lizard. Why the lizards go near to the small insect? Because lizard eat that small insects. Children, in your home, on the wall, or behind of the windows and doors, behind of cupboard, you can find the lizard. Yes or no? So these are all insects you can find in your home. Children, so there is a numbers of insects we can see in our home. Wherever your mama will keep the dustbin is always outside of your house. You can see outside there is a numbers of insects are flying, numbers of bees, mosquitoes, houseflies, cockroaches. We can see near to the dustbin only. Yes or no? If I go to the garden, you can find again different kinds of the insects. Yes, ladybug, honeybee, you can find near to the garden. Yes or no? Butterfly, these all the insects you can find in the ground or in the garden, in the forest. Clear children? So, insects have the 6 legs children. How many legs they have? They have the 6 legs. Insects have the 6 legs. Housefly, grasshopper, bee, ant, cockroach, bug. These are the insect. Now just you can see the legs. See here, how many are there? You can count very easily. See here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and they have the 2 antenna. See here front, they have the 2 antenna. In the insects also you can see they are looks very different. See the size, in color, shape, they all are looks very different to each other. Children? So in the insects also we can see they are the different from each other in shape, size and color. Insects have the 2 legs. How many legs they have? Sorry children, they have the 2 wings. They have the 2 wings. Why they have the wings? To fly. That wings is like a paper only, like a thin paper. Okay children, they are very small with the thin paper. Clear children? It is a white, it is a very soft. Yes. So that wings help them to fly. So they have the 6 legs. How many legs they have? They have the 6 legs and 2 antenna. And then they have the very small wings. They have the very small wings to fly. Clear children? So this is about the insects. So insects, how many legs have? Insects have the 6 legs. They have the 6 legs and then they have the 2 antenna. Here you can see children. Yes, you can see it's a cockroach. So I will draw the red. See here. It's a legs. How many legs they have? This is the 2 antenna. They have the 6 legs. Just you can see. This is the 6th leg. And they have the thin paper wings. Like a paper and they have the thin wings. Wings means what? That is helps them to fly. So this is what? It's a cockroach. Just you can see it's a cockroach. Okay children? They have the 6 legs and 2 antennas. Clear children? So almost many insects have the 6 legs and the wings to fly. Clear children? So this is about the all types of animals. Clear children? Animals have the 4 legs. Birds have the 2 legs. And then insects have the 6 legs. Clear children? Don't confuse. Birds have the 2 wings to fly. Even though insects also have the very thin wings to fly. But insects have the 2 antennas. They have the 2 antennas. So all the animals they are different in size, shape and color also. If you see in the animals, some animals are very huge. They are very big. They are too much big, like elephant. Some animals are too much tall. Giraffe. They are very tall. And some insects, some types of animals like ant, they are very small. Children, if you see the dog, cat, rabbit, they are very small compared to other animals like ants are too much small. This is too much small, very very small. Yes or no? If you see the hippopotamus, it is a big, not a very big, it is a big. Hippopotamus is big. Lion also big. Lion also very big. Then again, which animal, tell me? Fox. Fox is not a big, it is a small only. Yes or no? Yes. But the insects are very small. In the animal, elephant is too huge, too big, giraffe is too tall. Yeah, the children. So the animal we see around us, those are called the tame animals. What they call? Tame animals. Some animals we will keep in our home. Those are called the pets animals like a dog and cat. Okay, children. So this is about the animals, children. So in this lesson we discussed about the animals, wild animal, domestic animal, pets animals, birds, and we also discussed about the insects. Yeah, the children. So now we'll see some pets animals, like we say the some which animals we are keeping in the farm. The animals are very useful. Those animals are very useful. They will give us numbers of things. So we must take care of all animals. We should not harm, we should not kill any animals. Clear, children? This is about the insect. Now we finish. Now we do the small activity, children. Now here you have to tell me the answers. Elephant, cat, giraffe, and zebra, lion. Now here, what you have to do, children, you should tell me which animal is very big and which animal is very small. Okay, children? So now tell me, elephant is very big or big only? Tell me. Yes, it's a very big. So I will write here B and B. B and B means what? Very big. Cat. Cat is small. Yeah, the children. So I will write here. Yes. Giraffe. Giraffe is too tall. Yeah, the children. Then we'll write very big. Ant is very small. Then we'll write here BS. Very small. Next, zebra. Zebra is what? It is a small. Lion, it's a big. We'll write B. Yeah, the children now see here. The size of the animal. Elephant is very big. Cat is small. Giraffe is very big. This is tall, no? So we should write very big. Ant is very small. Zebra also small. Lion, it is a big. Now we'll see the one more activity. Legs of animals. So now you have to tell me how many legs animals have. First, dog, crow, housefly, peacock. Then buffalo. Parrot. Snake. And then finally is bee. So here children, what you have to do, you have to write the legs of animals. How many legs these animals have? So in front of that words only you should write down. Now tell me children, dog. How many legs dog have? Tell me 6, 7, 4, 5 or no legs. How many legs? Yes. The dog have 4 legs. How many legs? Dog have the 4 legs. Crow. How many legs crow have? Crow is what? Animal, bird, insect. Which one? Yes, it's a bird. That means crow have how many legs? 2 legs. Crow have the 2 legs. Next, house fly. First tell me, it is an insect, bird or animal? Yes, it's a insect. So house fly. How many legs have the insects? Yes, insects have the 6 legs. Next, peacock. Peacock is a bird. So how many legs peacock have? Peacock is also called our national bird. Our national bird is peacock. How many legs have peacock? Yes, peacock have the 2 legs. Next, bear. It's an animal. How many legs? Yes, it's has the 4 legs. Buffalo. How many legs buffalo have? It's an animal. Yes, buffalo also have the 4 legs. Parrot. It's a bird. Yeah, no, it's a bird, no? Yes. That means it has a 2 legs. Snake. Snake is the crawling animal. How many legs have the snake? Snake have the legs? No. It don't have the legs. That means 0. Bee. Honey bee. It is a insect. Very good. So how many legs have the bee? 6. Very good. We'll do the next one. Now next, you have to match. Okay, dog, cow, sheep, goat and hen. Okay, children. So here I have written one side animals and another side I have written what they will give us. What are the things they will give us? So first one is the dog. Dog is a pet animal. Yeah, children. Dog is a pet animal. Cow. What does the cow gives us? What does the cow gives us? Yes, cow gives us milk. Sheep. You will wear the sweater and all the things. Yes. So sheep gives us wool. Goat. Goat gives us meat. Hen. Hen gives us eggs. So dog is a pet animal. Cow gives us milk. Sheep, wool, goat, meat, hen, eggs. So like that, donkey carried the loads. Horse cart. It's draw the cart. Horse cart. Tanga you say yes. So like that, numbers of animals are there. They help us in various ways. Like the elephant, it's carry the big logs, big wood. Yeah, the children. So these are the some animals. So some animals help us in the many ways. We will get the numbers of things. Yeah, the children. We will get the numbers of things. There is a one more activity just to say, children. Just you have to identify the animal. Tell me. First one, it is which animal? See the tall. The neck is very tall. Which animal, children? Yes, it is a giraffe. Next, tell me. It is a very huge animal, very big. Yes, elephant. Next. Which animal? Yes, it's a lion. Next. Tell me. It's a bear. See, these all animals. All animals live in the jungle. These all four animals. It's live in the jungle and they are also called the wild animal. These animals we can find around us? No, we cannot find because they are very dangerous. Okay, children, so this is the today's class. I have finished this unit. I revised all the things, whatever is there in this lesson. Wild animals, domestic animals, about the birds, insects, which animal is very big and the small, and which animals, how they help us, what are the things they give us. So all the things we have discussed in the exciting animal world. Now here, what is your work, children? So here I have given the match the following and the next of animals. So these are all the things you have to copy down in your EVS notebook. Okay, children? This match the following and the next of animals you have to copy down in your EVS notebook. And this is the homework for you, children. Okay, children? Thank you, children.